Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Makeup Out. I'm your host Sarah Khan. Today we are diving into a new topic that everyone is talking about: how to maintain that youthful glowing skin. Whether you are in your teens or 20s or just want to keep your skin looking fresh and vibrant, I have got you covered. So let's get started. Daily skincare routine. First up, let's talk about your daily skincare routine. This is the foundation of maintaining young skin. You want to start with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. For young skin, it's important to avoid harsh chemicals that can strip away natural oils. I personally love Maybelline cleanser, but any gentle sulfate-free cleanser will do the trick. Washing your face. Next, make sure to follow up with a lightweight moisturizer. Young skin still needs hydration, even if it's oily. Looking for a moisturizer that's non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. And don't forget the SPF. Sun damage is one of the leading causes of premature aging, so apply a broad spectrum sunscreen every day, even if it's cloudy outside. Avoiding skincare mistakes. Now, let's chat about some common mistakes that can damage your young skin. One big no no is skipping sunscreen. We have all been guilty of this at some point, but trust me, your future self will thank you for applying it daily. Another mistake is over exfoliating. Exfoliation is great for removing dead skin cells, but doing it too often can lead to irritation and breakouts. Stick to exfoliating 2-3 times a week max. Hydration is key. Hydration is crucial for maintaining youthful skin. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and use a hydrating serum to keep your skin plump and glowing. Hyaluronic acid is a great ingredient to look for in a serum because it helps your skin retain moisture. Remember, hydrated skin is happy skin. Healthy diet for healthy skin. What you eat can have a big impact on your skin. Incorporating food rich in antioxidants like berries and leafy greens can help protect your skin from damage. Omega 3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds are also great for keeping your skin smooth and elastic. So make sure your diet is packed with these skin loving nutrients. And there you have it, my top tips for maintaining young glowing skin. Remember, taking care of your skin today will pay off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to comment below with your favorite skincare tip. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. And for more information, you can visit my website Makeup Out. Goodbye.